Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to remove the page breaks. The first step that you have to do is open your Microsoft Office Word. After that, you will open a document that contains text or just add a blank text. A blank document. After that, we have to remove our page breaks. But first, I need to have and insert these page breaks. To do so, I will just go to the Layouts tab and click on Breaks. Here you can find all the different breaks provided by Microsoft Office. There are two types of breaks, the page breaks and section breaks. We want the page breaks. So either it will add a column or a text wrapping, or it will just add a blank page. So it is also called and considered as a page break. As you can see, the page breaks has been inserted, but now we can't see the page breaks as a character or symbol to delete them. So what we have to do is go to the Home tab here. In the paragraph section, you will find the alignments and everything contained in the positioning in the paragraphs. You will find this button called show or hide the symbols. Basically, this button all do is showing the special character or the hidden character like the tabulations and uh, the line breaking as you can see or tabulation or like this. As you can see, it showed also the page breaks. So now we can delete our page break. All we have to do is go next to this to the symbol concerning the page break and just click backspace. As you can see, we removed by this method, we removed our page break. Or you can just select it with your mouse and click delete or backspace. So this is how you remove your page break in simple way. All you have to do is following the previous and steps. So thank you for watching and goodbye.